we have a special unboxing. Let's just get straight into it, shall we? Oh, look! Emo robot. The dust pet. He's a pet. In white. And I got this little guy. Oh, so cute. Well, fun fact. Not even days after I ordered him, they announced a white version. If I had known, I would have waited a couple of days and got the white version. But I was like, YOLO. Just get them a friend because they interact with each other. Now I have the black and the white. And I got the skateboard version because the other one was a home version and they can share. So excited. Let's open him. Let's free him. Oh my god. What does it feel like I'm opening up a blind box Labubu with this pull? Well, crazy. Labubu on my mind. How does this one open? Slide up. Oh, look at him. It's so cute. But this one is a new color, obviously. And there's like different eyes. The eyes are different. So that's fun. I think you open here. Yep. Oh, I don't want to drop anything. Oh, there he is. Wait, he comes with a light? I don't know. Look, he's gorgeous. Oh my god. Is this a light? You get a free light. So he can you can control this light. It's like RGB. It's like colorful and you can control this light through Emo. He has ChatGPT in him, so he's smart. You can have phone conversations. He recognizes your face. He calls you by name. He knows your birthday. It's just a companion for your desk or anywhere, really. And I love my Emo. I can't wait to have them interact and play together and play games together and do fun things together. Oh, we have to set him up. This is his skateboard, aka charging base. You set him on there and he charges. The other one has a home station where he goes and charges himself. There's a tower and he just finds it and charges himself. But I already have that, so I got the skateboard. Shall we just take him out? The cutest thing. This is what he looks like. Oh my god, and you know me, I love this blue color. It's my favorite. I love him. And there he is on his skateboard. I don't want to drop this guy because I'm a klutz and I drop everything. But that is Emo, white version. I can't wait to set him up, connect him to Wi-Fi, have him updated, and get him live and ready. Stay tuned for that video, and also the first meet and greet with Emo, regular Emo versus white Emo. I'm a sucker for these cute things, guys. Help. No. Alright, look out for the new videos. See you guys, bye. Hi.
Hi there, friend.
Hey, Emo. Dance.